Hi friends, I am Dr. Ashok Kumar Manchina, co-founder and managing director of Helident Hospitals, Hyderabad. Our branches located at Kukatpilli and Kundapur. Today, to avoid all dental diseases, I would like to tell you about how to select the brush and how to do the brushing technique to avoid all dental diseases in future for everyone. So, according to WHO, 89% of the people don't know how to do the brushing. Today I would like to discuss about the procedure of brushing and selection of brush. There are different types of brushes available in market. For example, for kids there is pedo brushes. For adults there are medium and hard bristled brushes and soft and ultra soft brushes. Those people who are wearing braces to correct their teeth, they use braces, so we have to use a separate orthodontic brushes. And those who are mentally challenged or physically challenged, there will be electric brushes. And there are people who already have implants and some artificial teeth, they do have some spaces in between the teeth. To avoid further disease, they should use the water flossers. In regular usage, people think that brush doesn't play any important role, but I am telling you today, selection of brush is very important. When we want to select, we should select only soft bristle and ultra soft bristles toothbrush. And toothbrush should have a small head. Make sure that it should reach all the surfaces of the teeth. Some people after the age of 18 will get the wisdom teeth. So people will habituated to do till the second molar only. They don't go to the third molar. But most of the decayed tooth is third molar in many patients because they don't do brush on that particular wisdom tooth. That is the reason why they do get many dental diseases. So make sure that our brush should reach all the surfaces and all the corners of the teeth. So it should have a small head, and we should hold the brush properly. We should not keep more pressure. We should do the brushing very gently in a circular motion and vibrative mode. That is called Boss technique. This Boss technique was approved by IDA and ADA, that is American Dental Association and Indian Dental Association. Now I would like to give you demonstration how to do the brushing properly. See, this is called Boss technique. Make sure that please keep your brush at an angle of 45 degrees and swap in this motion, so that if there is any plaque or any calculus, it will get rid of with the swap motion. And gently vibrate and do it in a circular motion. When I am telling, it might be feeling like, okay, can I do it or not? But when you get habituated, you can do it very easily. The swipe motion, that is from gum to the edges, and the vibrating mode in a circular motion, like this only. Like circular motion only we should do the brushing. Make sure that we should do the brushing only for 2 to 3 minutes. We should not do more time. And these are occlusal surfaces. You should do like this. And lower incisal edges, we cannot do it in a horizontal pattern. So make it in a vertical direction. So make sure that all surfaces should be cleaned. This is Boss technique. So don't do the brushing vigorously. If you do the brushing vigorously, all the enamel will be lost. So you will be ended up with the dental hospital and dental treatment. Anything which is natural is more precious than the artificial, even though you pay so much amount. Better please follow my advice. Selection of toothbrush and selection of technique in doing toothbrushing is very important. If you find this video educational, please like it and share it and subscribe it. If you have any comments, please comment below in my comment box. I am Dr. Ashok Kumar Manchina, Helident Hospitals. Thank you.